Hello everybody, it's JD, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Xbox Series X. Now, as you can see, it does stand upright. It has a nice padded bottom, so it's nice and padded there. And what it does come with, of course, is the console itself, the controller, two AA batteries, and if you look at the back here, got two cables coming out of it. This is for power, this is the HDMI cable. And these all come with it. Now let's take a look at the back. There's some other things here. This is for extra storage. This is for internet. Now these ones, at least right here, this one is not always going to be needed because it does have Wi-Fi, which is great. Probably the biggest feature for some people about the Xbox Series X is right here. You can place game discs in here. So if you have game discs, you can play